Welcome to Sukhoi Su-30MKI, your channel for everything powerful and mechanical, from two wheels to wings of steel. Today, we take off into the world of supersonic aviation with one of the most formidable fighter jets of our time, the 2025 Sukhoi Su-30MKI. A symbol of air dominance and engineering brilliance, this aircraft represents the perfect fusion of Russian design and Indian innovation. The Sukhoi Su-30MKI has long been the backbone of the Indian Air Force. But the 2025 version isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Built under Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's new modernization program, this jet now integrates next-generation avionics, improved stealth features, and advanced electronic warfare systems. It retains its trademark agility and twin-seat versatility but introduces far more intelligence and precision to the skies. The 2025 Su-30MKI continues to flaunt its signature twin-engine, twin-seat design with thrust vectoring nozzles that give it unmatched maneuverability. However, this new version is lighter, thanks to the extensive use of composite materials. The airframe has been optimized for reduced radar cross-section, enhancing its stealth capabilities. From the aerodynamic curves to the sleek matte coating, every inch of the aircraft screams dominance. Under the hood, or rather, under the wings, the jet roars with AL-41F turbofan engines, providing greater thrust and fuel efficiency. The 2025 variant boasts a top speed of Mach 2.2 and a combat range of nearly 3,000 kilometers, allowing it to reach targets faster and stay longer in mission zones. Combined with in-flight refueling capability, this machine can cover massive distances without breaking a sweat. What truly defines the 2025 Su-30MKI is its brainpower. The cockpit now features a glass panel interface, integrated digital mission computers, and a helmet-mounted targeting system for the pilot. Its radar, the N011M BARSAR, has been enhanced to detect enemy aircraft at longer ranges and track multiple targets simultaneously. The aircraft can carry BrahMos A supersonic cruise missiles, Astra beyond visual range missiles, and a full range of guided bombs, making it a true multi-role fighter capable of dominating air, sea, and ground missions. The 2025 upgrade also focuses on network-centric warfare. This means the Su-30MKI can now communicate in real time with drones, AWACS, and other fighter aircraft, creating a synchronized aerial network. With AI-assisted navigation and automatic threat response systems, the pilot's workload is drastically reduced, allowing for sharper, faster decision-making in combat. The 2025 Sukhoi Su-30MKI isn't just a fighter jet, it's a flying fortress, faster, smarter, and more lethal than ever before. It stands as a testament to India's growing defense capabilities and the power of continuous innovation. With every upgrade, the Su-30MKI proves that legends never retire, they evolve. This was the story of the 2025 Sukhoi Su-30M.